Hello and welcome to How to Play Yukon Hold Em. The game is played with 2 to 9 players. To play you will need a 52 card deck and something to make bets with such as poker chips. Before the hand is dealt, 2 blind bets are made to start a pot. The amounts of the blind bets are agreed upon before starting the game. There is a big blind that will be 2 chips for this game and a small blind that is half the big blind. The player left of the dealer will make the small blind. The player that is 2 players left of the dealer will make the big blind. Once the blinds are placed, each player is dealt 2 cards, 1 card at a time. The object of the game is to win chips. Chips are won by being the only player that did not fold, or by having the highest ranking poker hand among all the players that did not fold at the end of a hand. The poker hands are ranked with the best being a straight flush, which is 5 cards in sequence in the same suit, then 4 of a kind, then a full house, which is 3 of a kind with a pair. If multiple players have a full house, the player with the best 3 of a kind wins the hand. Then a flush, which is 5 cards in the same suit, then a straight, which is 5 cards in sequence, then a 3 of a kind, then 2 pair, then a pair, and last high card. The cards are ranked with the aces being the highest down to the 2s being the lowest. Throughout gameplay, a total of 7 cards will be dealt to the middle of the table. An example round will be shown next, but as an overview, the round will start with a betting phase, then the flop is dealt. In Yukon Hold Em, there are 2 flops, each with 2 cards. Then another round of betting, then 2 turn cards are dealt, 1 to each flop. Then another round of betting, then a single river card is dealt. Then the final betting round. A player's ending hand consists of the best 5 cards using any cards from their hand and some of the middle cards. Players can only use one of the sets of cards with the river card and the cards in their hands. After the deal, there is a round of betting. The player left of the player that made the big blind is the first to play. The player has 3 options. They can call the bet by matching the big blind, they can raise the bet by betting more than the big blind, or they can fold and be out for this round. Audrey calls by betting 2 chips. Play moves left to the next player. Eddie folds and is out for this hand. Play moves left to Clark, who calls. Play moves left to Ellen. Since Ellen is the small blind, she only needs to bet 1 chip to call. Ellen calls here. Play moves left to Rusty. Rusty has the option to raise the bet, but decides to check. This means he is still in the game, but does not want to bet an additional amount. Once every player has called or folded, the flop is dealt. The top card of the deck is burned by discarding it, then 4 cards are dealt into the middle face up. The first 2 cards to the first flop, and the second 2 cards to the second flop. After the flop is dealt, another round of betting takes place. From here forward, betting is started by the first active player to the left of the dealer. Ellen can check, fold, or place a bet. Ellen checks. Play moves to Rusty, who bets 2 chips. Play moves to Audrey, who can call the bet, raise the bet, or fold. Audrey calls the bet. Play moves to Clark, who folds. Play returns to Ellen, who can call the bet, raise the bet, or fold. Ellen calls the bet. After the call, the top card of the deck is burned by discarding it. Then 2 cards are dealt into the middle face up, 1 turn card for each flop. Another round of betting takes place. Ellen starts with a check. Rusty bets 2 chips. Audrey raises 2 chips for a total of 4 chips. Ellen folds. Rusty calls the raise by adding 2 chips to the middle. The top card of the deck is burned by discarding it. Then the final river card is flipped up from the deck, and the final betting round takes place. Rusty bets 2 chips, and Audrey calls the bet. The cards are shown. Rusty has 2 pair using the first set of cards. Audrey has 3 of a kind using the second set of cards. Audrey wins this hand with the higher ranking poker hand. A player can choose to use only one of the 2 cards dealt to them to create the best poker hand. The middle pot is split if players have equally ranked poker hands. That wraps up how to play Yukon Hold 'em. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and find more game tutorials by subscribing to the channel Gather Together Games. Thanks for watching.